Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Leslie. If you're new here, welcome. So today we want to talk about Coach charms and are they worth it? So these are the 3 Coach charms I just got. This is a really pretty snail purple. It is heavy. It is a clunker. I love Coach charms. I've been collecting bags for 22 years and most of my bags all have charms on it. So when I saw this one, originally they released this in a gray, and I'll post a picture next to it. And I was like, it's $195. I was like, is it really worth it? So I liked it, but I didn't like it enough for $195, so I didn't get it. But then like about 2 months later, they released this really cute pink elephant with the little crown. And I was like, oh, that is so cute. That is perfect. It was $225, even more than the gray. And I was like, well, let me just see it in person, see if I think it's worth it or not. So I picked this one up. And then this one, they released a bigger size version of this, same size as Ellie, and it's a floppy bunny, and it was like $195 also. I mean, basically, these are just mini stuffed animals with like hardware attached, so you can carry it like a, on your handbag. So, I mean, what's stopping you from just doing it yourself, right? So here's the shoe charm. So what I did was, see back here, there's like 2 loops. Let me see if I can get a shot of it. It's hard to see because I still have all the tags attached. Okay, so here it is. So let me zoom in here. So can you see these 2 Coach loops? This is where you put your shoelaces through and you can attach it to your shoe. So instead, I bought this little key chain clip from Etsy that came with this little ring here where you attach your keys, and I looped it through the shoelace loops where you're supposed to put the shoelaces, and I turned it into my own little bag charm. So I mean, technically, you can just buy your own little stuffed animals and do this yourself, and it wouldn't cost you like $200 each. So this one was $95, and I was like, let me just see if I could turn it into a bag charm myself, because $95 is it's like half the $195, so like why not? So I gave it a shot. So this one actually kind of looks a little bit like flattened. It doesn't really look like a bunny to me. I mean, this is supposed to be a bunny. I mean, it kind of does because it has the ears and it's got the eyes, but it just looks so smushed from the side here. But I guess it's because you're supposed to lay it on your shoe so nobody can really see that it's smushed. I don't know. But the elephant, very cute. Like, it's got the little eyes, it's got the nose, has this gorgeous gold crown on it. It's pink, it's got some purple edges here for the feet and the hands. But the tail, that's not an elephant tail, guys. That is like a bunny tail. What is going on with this tail here? It should be like, a little like tail, like a real tail. And then this one's probably the best bang for your buck because it's got some heft. This is really purple snail shell here that they did, which I love. It's got these little diamond eyes. It's got the nice brass. Well, they all have that, well, except for the shoe. And it's the same on both sides. This one was $95. So I think to me, this one is probably worth the $95 over this one. This is not worth $95. So I'm sorry. They're collectibles, which I completely understand. Like, it even says they are collectibles here. See, this is a Coach collectible, and it's not a toy, not suitable for use by children under the age of 15. Please handle with care. So I don't know. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep these 2 because I just keep thinking they're just mini stuffed animals that you can add hardware to and make your own bag charm. I mean, obviously, I wouldn't be able to put the crown on this elephant myself. I mean, this one may be worth the $225, and it's a stretch. So I still have the tags on, haven't taken them off. I gotta see how they look on some of my bags, and I'll probably go from there. So let me know what you guys think. But I'm gonna put them on some bags and we'll take a look. So here is my Leve purple medium-sized flamenco clutch bag, and I attached one here, and I have another charm here. So this is my old Coach charm, maybe from last year or the year before. So I added it to the ends of this little knot handle. I don't know what they're called. And I added the snail to the other side. So now they kind of look like dangly earrings. Is that cute? But it does add some heft to the bag, I gotta say. But I think it's really cute. So what do you guys think? This one I'll probably keep. I think it works. So this is my new Coach bag. It's the Bleecker bucket in the shearling. So I think what I'm going to do is maybe I'll try adding the floppy shoe charm to here. Let's see how it looks. Got to try it on before you buy and keep, right? I mean, it kind of works because it's shearling and this is fluffy little bunny. Yes? No? Let me know. I think it kind of works. Matches the hardware, right? It's a pretty close match. And maybe it would have been better if it was a white bunny, but I think it looks pretty good. So even though he looks a little smushed from the side, but he's mostly going to be hanging from the bag like this. Whoops. So I think it kind of works. Sometimes you just have to try it on the bag and then decide. Okay, let's see what's next. This is my Coach Rogue first generation. It's got the textured crochet and the handles, which I really love. Wish they still made them like that. So I'm going to attach Ellie here. I mean, it's huge. I mean, look how big this charm is. It's like practically the same size as the bag. But I think the color pops against this mineral teal, I think it's called. I'm not sure exactly the color, but let's see. Look at that. Is it worth it, guys? You've got to tell me. I think I may. I mean, sometimes it's like you just have to find the right bag for the charm or the charm for the bag. Either way, kind of works. Let me see if I can get you guys another view. Okay, so here's the flamenco. I think it looks really nice. The purple and the purple there. So, looks like little earrings. I think it's cute. I usually carry this bag with the crossbody strap, so they'll dangle even more, but I think it's very, very fun. So that's the flamenco. It's super cloudy here. It's very dark and gloomy, so I'm trying to show it in the best lighting that I can work with today. So this is the elephant. I think it works. What do you guys think? Okay, so here's Floppy, the shoe charm. This one's the hardest to showcase because this bucket shearling bag just wants to fall over into a pile of smush. So here's Floppy as a shoe charm that turned into a bag charm. I think it works too. I think it's cute. So that is it. Maybe one day I'll show my entire Coach collection of bag charms. I have a lot. There are probably, I don't know, 20, 30 of them, but at this point, who knows? But stay tuned, more to come. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, take care, see you next time.